Oh my god, I'm so freaking sick, bro. Oh my god. Okay. So sorry. Hi guys, what's up? It's me. If you're new to the channel, then hi, my name is... If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Melody. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a cute little unboxing. Words are hard today. A quick little unboxing, okay? I said cute. A quick little unboxing. I'm just going to test this out and see how it goes. You know, this is not everybody's cup of tea, which is perfectly fine if it's not your cup of tea. You know, everybody has their own preferences. That's okay. And before this starts, disclaimer, I am not encouraging the use of drugs or anything like that. This is simply for educational purposes, okay? Okay, YouTube. Also, everyone in this video is of age, all right? Everyone in this video is 18 or older. So, yeah, guys, I don't encourage it. But, like, I'm also not going to tell you not to do it. If you do drugs, then cool. And if you don't, that's also cool. I'm going to go get some scissors. I'll be right back. Sweet. And it just got here today. This was $13, I believe. With a discount. This is how it comes packaged, if you guys are worried about that. I am very much hoping it's not broken. Okay, this is the bottom. So this is the top. It doesn't look broken. I can see it. Oh my gosh. It doesn't look broken though. So that's a good sign. What? Oh, I have my teeth. But also, I haven't opened it yet. So I'm hoping it's not going to be broken. Because I was jogging to the back to the car, but I heard it making noises. So I was like, okay, I'll stop. I'll walk. I'll walk. So hopefully it's not broken, because I did, well, it wasn't this exact bong, but it was a different one that I was looking at, and this girl like showed a picture of it, and she was like, it literally came broken. And I was like, oh my gosh, no, like, don't come broken, please. I literally ordered you last week, and I definitely did not wait 2 weeks just for you to, ow, basically 2 weeks for you to get here. It was supposed to get here tomorrow, but it got here today, so thanks, SHEIN, for that. Okay. I'm so excited. More tape to take off. So sorry about the voice, though. I think I kind of sound sexy, though. You know when you're sick and you're just like, damn, my voice sounds good like this. I never want it to go away. That's how I feel right now. Like, my voice sounds sexy. Okay, ready? You guys get the first glance. Hopefully it's not broken. Is she broken, guys? Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I'm scared to look. Is she broken? Okay, I'm gonna look. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's not broken. Oh, it's really pretty. The piece just fell out. Oh, yay, got a new stem. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. This is my old one, by the way. I like this bong. It's silicone and it's cute and it's very portable, as you can see. This is like 8 inches, I think. It's so pretty. I don't even want to take it out. Oh my gosh. Look at her. Oh, it's so pretty. I was going to say, should we compare them in sizes? But there's no comparing. This one's freaking huge compared to this one. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. If you guys know me, you know that red and black are my favorite colors. And I fucking love trees. I love trees. I literally have my window open every day just so I can stare at the trees. My view is the woods. Like, literally. My view is the woods and I freaking love it. I love it so much. Oh, look at her. She's so pretty. Now, I bought this bong like 2 weeks ago, not gonna lie, 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's really small. I was not expecting it to be this small when I bought it. I thought it was gonna be like this size, and I was like, oh yeah, that's gonna be really cool. but it's small, which is okay. I still love her. She still gets the job done, all right? She still gets me high. But my sister, she has a b0ong. She has like a flower one. But she has that one. It's super cute. Oh, so nice. But the thing I will say that I like about that one, hold on. What's this? Silver screens? Okay. So pretty. I'm so glad it's not broken either. It's nice to know they were gentle with it. Okay, but having glass around me is like really scary though, because I'm like literally, I'm the most clumsiest person ever. So this is actually really nerve-wracking. Oh my gosh, see, I almost dropped the piece. Even though I dropped it earlier, but yeah. What was I gonna say? Why am I closing this? I'm gonna go fill this baby up. Actually, I'm gonna see what this is. What is this? What is that? What the heck? Guys, if you know what these are, let me know in the comments, because I have no idea what they are. It says silver screens on it. I'm not sure what that means, but okay. It's just so pretty, dude. Look at that. Look at that. It's like literally giving me like vampire Twilight vibes. It's a freaking tree. It's like a blood tree. I don't know what it is. It's a b0ong, clearly. This is the b0ong too. This is silicone. Oh, what I was saying. Oh my god, that's what I was saying. That's why I put this down. But what I was saying that I will say that I like about this one more is that you could open it from the bottom since it's silicone. It's really brown at the bottom, but I promise it's clean. I cleaned it the other day, I promise. I literally scrubbed it with dish soap, alright? This part's just dirty, I promise. But, I like this part like this because it comes out and you can clean it so much easier, which is one thing you can't do with the glass b0ongs because, you can't open the bottom, clearly. But yeah, that's one thing I like about these silicone ones, I will say, because they're much easier to do to clean. I'm gonna go fill this up with water and we're gonna take a couple hits out of her. Like I said, if you guys are not on this boat, that is perfectly fine. I am on this boat. This boat is what's keeping the boat stable, okay? All right. All right, as you can see, she's filled up with water. I actually didn't pack my bowl yet. I probably should have done that, but she works great. Almost spilled. I did fill it up a little bit more than you're supposed to, but I like the little, this is my personal preference, but I like when it's a little overflowed. I just feel like it comes out smoother. Maybe that's just a me thing, but it's what I like, so I do it. I just feel like it comes out smoother. Actually, I'm gonna keep the camera on, but you're just not gonna be able to see it, right? So we got our herbs. We have our flour right here. Our flour. I already have it grinded up. I always grind it up. It's just what I do. Dump some out on my ashtray. I mean my rolling tray. I call it an ashtray, because that's just what I'm used to it being called. Okay, so I have some poured out on my ashtray, and I know you can't see it. Sorry, Pookies, but I'm not trying to get flagged or whatever. Even though I don't even like make money, but I believe after a minute it's okay to show it, so it should be fine. So I mean, I'm gonna show it. What the fuck? The fuck do you think this is? So now we have our bowl nice and packed, period. We love to see it. Full spurtsy spurts. Definitely gonna roll. Okay. And cheers, everyone. Here's our bowl. Low key, I kind of want a smaller bowl than that. I just kind of want that much because I want to roll after this. So I think I'm just gonna do that much. I love chicken bong ribs. They're my fave. I'm a bong girl, y'all. I don't care if it's bad for you. I'm a bong girl. Yeah, that's a good game. A little bit came out. Is there any more? Okay. There's no more in that bowl, so I lied. I'm actually gonna use the rest of it. Didn't know it was gonna go out that fast. Damn, I should have just used my other one first, because now this one's dirty. But I could have just used that one, because they're the same size. I'm going to put the rest of this in here. Plus a little bit more, because I just have some on my ashtray. Cheers, y'all. Hi, birds. The birds are talking. Ooh. That was disappointing. All right, y'all. So we know it functions. She works beautifully. I'm gonna go roll because I want to smoke. Some more. 2 bong rips. Did not do it for me. She got me buzzed, I will say. The glamour magic is glamour magic. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, let me know if you guys enjoy videos like this, and we'll see in the comments down below what you guys want to see, and I will make it. I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna go roll a joint. All right. Okay. Bye, guys. See ya.